So welcome to the lesson number 9 for grade 3 mathematics, guys. Yesterday we started the topic doubles and half, and we were learning about the doubles. What are the doubles? And I told you guys how to find out the double. Double means 2 times of any number. Okay. So whenever you need to find out a double of any number, what you have to do, you just have to multiply that number by 2. Like here, you have to find out the double of 25. So you write here 25. This is you write 25, and then because you have to find out the double, then you multiply it by 2. 25 by 2. So when you multiply 25 by 2, so you will get the answer, that is 50. I revised the multiplication method also, guys. This is 2 and this is 5. When you multiply 25 by 2, 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. First you will multiply this 2 by this 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. So you will not write 10 here. Okay. Because in 10 there are 0 ones and 1 tens. So you will only write 0 here. 1 10. And 1 10 you will regroup with the tens here. Now you will multiply this 2 by this 2. 2 to 4, and then you will add 1. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So 25 multiplied by 2 equals to 50, and that is your answer. Same, guys, if you have to find out the double of, let's suppose, 35. If you have to find out the double of 35, so you will write 35. Because you have to find out the double of 35, so you will write here 35. What you are finding the double, that's why you are multiplying it by 2. So 35 by 2, so you will write here 3. 35 multiplied by 2. 2 into 5, 10. Again, 0 here. And 1 you regroup with that 3. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. And 6 plus 1 equals to 7. So double of 35 is 70. Double of 35 is 70. This is how you have to find out the double. Whenever you're finding out the double, guys, what you have to do, you will multiply that number by 2. Let's suppose if you are finding out the double of, the last example I'm giving you, if you are finding out the double of, let's suppose 100. If you are finding out the double of 100. So what you will do, guys, the number you have to find out the double, that is 100. So you will write 100 first. 100. And what you have to find out double, so 100 multiplied by 2. 100 multiplied by 2. You will write 100 first. 1, 0, and 0, and this is 2. So 2 multiplied by 0, 0. Then again 2 multiplied by 0, 0. So there will be 2 zeros. And then this 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. The double of 100 is 200. It will be 200. So this is we have learned yesterday. Whenever you need to find out the double, you will multiply that number by 2 and you will find the answer. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, just for oral practice, I am asking you double of some numbers and you have to reply me first, okay? Because you know the tables. So guys, what is the double of 2?
4.
Very good.
No, 4. 4, sir.
4. Very good. 4.
4.
Very good.
You four.
Very good. Very good.
2.
So the double of 2 is 4, but only one student gave me answer immediately. Other students were thinking. Okay, you have to answer first. Okay. And the next question: what is the double of 3? What is the double of 3?
6.
6.
6.
Only 2 students are answering.
6.
Yes. B6, sir.
6.
6. I say, sir.
6. Very good. Double of 3 is 6. Guys, you all have to answer. Okay. Why only 2 and 3 students are answering? What is the double of 4? What is the double of 4?
8. 8.
Eight.
8.
Eight.
8. Very good, very good, very good, very good. And what is the double of 5?
10.
10.
10.
10. 10.
Very good, very good. And what is the double of 6?
12.
12.
12.
Very good. So guys, if you know the table, you can easily answer me. How? Just you have to multiply that number by 2 and you will find the answer. Like double of 2 is 4 because 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Double of 3 is 6 because 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Double of 4 is 8. Why? Because 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. Double of 5 is 10. Why? Because 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Double of 6 is 12. Why? Because 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. Same if I ask you double of 7. So what will be the double of 7, guys?
14.
14.
14.
Very good. Very good. That's very good, guys. So you know about the doubles. Today we are going to study about the halves. Guys, double and half is our topic and we are going to find out about the halves. How to find out the halves. Okay. So, you know, half is the opposite of double. Half is the opposite of double. Let's suppose if I ask you what is the double of 2. So you will say, sir, the double of 2 is 4. Double of 2 is 4. Because 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. So double of 2 is 4. And if I ask you what is the half of 4, so you will say the half of 4 is 2. So half is the opposite of double. How to find out the half, guys? Whenever you need to find out the half of anything, let's suppose I write a question here. What is the half of 4? What is the half of 4? Half means divided by 2. Half means divided into 2 equal parts. What is the half of 4? So what you will do, guys, you will say, sir, half of 4 means 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, and then you will check the table of 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4. So half of 4 is 2. So guys, whenever you need to find out the half, so you just divide that number by 2 and you will find out the half. Half means to divide that number by 2. Half means whenever you're dividing into 2 equal parts. Okay. If you have 4 chocolates, half of the chocolates I say give it to your brother. That's mean you will give 2 to your brother. Let's suppose you have 10 pencils. If I say half of the pencils, give it to your friend. So 10 half means you will divide 10 by 2 and 5. You will give 5 pencils to your friend and 5 pencils you will keep. Okay, guys. So whenever you need to find out the half, so you have to divide it by 2. In doubles, in order to find out the double, what you were doing? You were multiplying it by 2. But when you have to find out the half, you will divide by 2. Okay. And to find out the double, you multiply by 2. And to find out the half, you have to divide by 2. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I give you the different examples. Here, what is the half of 4? Because you have to find out the half of 4, so you will divide 4 by 2. 4 by 2. And then you will check the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? Or you can also check 2 multiplied by what will give you 4. This is same, right? 4 divided by 2 means you will check the table of 2. That 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? So the answer will be 2. That 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. So this is the answer. The half of 4 is 2. Let's suppose if I say, tell me what is the half of 8. What is the half of 8? So what you will do, because you have to find out the half of 8, so you will write 8 and you will divide 8 by 2. Because you are finding out the half of 8, that's why you will write 8 first. As you are finding out the half, so you will divide by 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 means you will check out 2 multiplied by what will give you 8. 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6, and 2 by 4 equals to 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. That means 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. So the answer will be 4. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. And half of 8 is 4. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, let's take one more example, guys. If I ask you, tell me the half of 10. Tell me the half of 10. Again, how you will do it? Because you have to find out the half of 10. So you will write 10 here. Okay, because you are finding out the half of 10, you write 10. As you have to find out the half, so you will divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals to what? This is you have to find out. So again, you will check the table. 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 2 multiplied by 4, 8, and 2 multiplied by what will give you 10? That is 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. That's mean 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. So the half of 10 is 5. Half of 10 is 5. Very good, Ahmad, Muhammad, Yusuf, and Muhammad. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. So guys, tell me when you need to find out the half of any number, you will divide that number by? Yes.
Two,
Loudly.
sir.
2. Very good. Very good.
Two.
2.
Two.
2. Exactly. When you have to find out a half of any number, so you will divide that number by 2. Exactly. So guys, now I'm asking verbally. Tell me the half of 12. Half of 12.
Six.
Six.
Very good.
Six.
Very good.
Sir,
Very good.
can I ask you? Sir, can I ask you?
Who? Who can ask? Who want to ask question? So guys, in order to find out the half, you will divide that number by 2. Okay, that's fine, and that's very good. Very good. If I write instead of 10 here, if I write, let's suppose, if I write here, what is the half of 24? What is the half of 24? Then what you will do? Again, what you have to find out? You have to find out the half. Half of what number? 24. So you will write 24 first. 24. What you have to find out? You have to find out the half. So this is you're going to find out the half. So when you have to find out the half, you will divide it by 2. Now 24 divided by 2, how you will check? Either you know the table 2 up to 12, up to after 10, if you know the table of 2, then you can do it. Or the another method is to go for the long division method. Where write 2 and 4 inside. This is 24. Then you have to divide it by 2. So write 2 outside. If you remember the long division, guys, you will check out this 2. You will read the table of 2 up to 2. How many times? 1 times. 2, 1, 2. Then you will subtract. Then you will do the subtraction. 2, 1, 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Then you will put this 4 down. It will be 4. Now you will check 2 tables. 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? So 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4. And then it is 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So the answer is 12. The answer is 12. 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. That's mean half of 24 is equals to 12. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. All right, guys. Now, if I ask you, tell me the half of this was 24. Tell me the half of, let's suppose 50. Half of 50. So 50 half you have to find out. So you will divide 50 by 2. 50 by 2. So in order to divide 50 by 2, you will again go for long division. In long division, what you will do first? You will make the division sign. This one. Inside you will write 50 because you have to divide 50. You have to divide 50 by 2. Now check the table of 2. How many times you read the table of 2 in order to get 5 or less than 5? So 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6. So 2 by 2 you will go because 2 by 3 is equals to 6, which is more than 5. So 2 by 2 equals to 4, and then you will subtract. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Then you will put this 0 down. So it is now 1, 0, 10. Now you will check again table of 2. 2 multiplied by what will give you 10? 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6, 2 by 4, 8, and 2 by 5 equals to 10. And 10 minus 10 equals to 0. The answer is 25. That means 25 is the half of 50. 25 is the half of 50. You will write 2 and is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Very good. Guys, so question can be given to you. A question can be given to you. Find out the half of 100. Find out the half of 150. Find out the half of 200. Find out the half of 170. Any number can be given to you and you could be asked to find out the half of that number. So what you have to do, you have to divide it by 2. If the number is bigger and it cannot be solved by the table, so you will go for long division. If you can directly solve it, that's good. But if it is a bigger number, then you will go for long division. And after dividing it by 2, you will write the answer. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, please take out your notebooks and we will do some practice for that. Take out your notebooks, guys. Take out your notebooks, please. Take out your notebook, write the dates today. Today is 8 September 2021 and it is Wednesday. The topic is double and half. I'm going to share new screen with you guys. Can you see the new screen?
Yes,
I don't
Yes,
check, sir.
yes.
Wait. You have any problem? Yes, guys. You all can see the see now new screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I don't see all this.
That's very good.
There I see screen.
Good. Guys, on the top of the page, write today's heading, that is 8 September 2021. Day Wednesday, page number 14, topic double and half. And write the question first. Question number 1. Question number 1, what is the half of 20? What is the half of 20? Okay, what you have to find out, guys, you have to find out what is the half of 20. So what you will do, you will write 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2, guys. 20 divided by 2. How you will divide 20 by 2? I will show here. This is 20. If I write here 20, this is 20 divided by 2. So 2 multiplied by what will give me 2? 1. 2 by 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 0 is left. This 0 come down. And 2 multiplied by what will give me 0? 2 multiplied by 0 will give me 0. And 0 minus 0 equals to 0. So this is the answer. 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20. 2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20. So the answer will be here. 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very good.
sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good.
You are.
Or guys, you can check out the table of 2 as well. 2 multiplied by what will give you 20? 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12, 2, 7, 14, 2, 8, 16, 2, 9, 18, and 2, 10, 20. So 10 is the answer. Now question number 2. What is the half of 10? This is very easy, guys. What is the half of 10? What is the half of 10? This is, you have to answer me in the chat box. What is the half of 10? Yes, guys. What is the half of 10? Ilyas, very good. Amedo, very good. What is the half of 10? Check out the table of 10. 2 multiplied by what will give you 10? In order to find out the half of 10, you will divide 10 by 2. Okay, divide 10 by 2 and tell me what is the half of 10. Very good, Miraj. Mashri, very good. Adam Khalid, very good. Ahmad Muhammad Yusuf, very good. Sharif, very good. Exactly, guys. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Half of 10 is equals to
5, 5.
5, sir.
5, sir.
5. Very good. Exactly. Because 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. That's right. First, the answer is 5. As you have to find out the half of 10, you will write 10. Finding out the half divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Now, question number 3. What is the half of 12? What is the half of 12? Yes, guys, answer me in the chat box. What is the half of 12? You have to find out the half of 12. So divide 12 by 2. Medo, very good. Amar, very good. Ilyas, very good. Ahmad Muhammad Yusuf, very good. Mashli, very good. Adam Khalid, very good. What about other students, guys? Only 6 students answered. What is the half of 12? Manthar, very good. Sharif, very good. In order to find out the half, what you will do? You will divide 12 by 2. 12 by 2 means you will check out the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what will give you 12. So 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 2, 4. 2 by 3, 6. 2 by 4, 8. 2 by 5, 10. And 2 by 6 is equals to 12. 2 by 6 is equals to 12. That means 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Guys, are you writing with me?
Yes, sir.
Of course.
That's very good. That's very good. Did you complete question number 2?
Of course. I completed question number 3.
That's very good. That's very good. All right, guys. Now we have question number 4. What is the half of 4? What is the half of 4? This is very easy, guys. Half of 4. Half of 4. This is very easy. Mashri, very good. Yes, guys, answer me. Ammar, very good. What is the half of 4? Hamido, very good. Ayan Farhan, very good. Al-Wali Sultan, very good. Adam Khalid, very good. Muhammad Fadi, very good. Rafiq Samir Mohsin, very good. Manthar, very good. So guys, half of 4 it means you will divide 4 by 2. So 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? 2 by 1 equals to 2 and 2 by 2 equals to 4. So what is the half of 4?
2, 2.
2.
2,
2. Very good.
Yes,
Two,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Very good. The answer is 2. The half of 4 is 2. Now guys, what is the half of 24? What is the half of 24? So in order to find out the half of 24, you will write 24 first. Then you will divide it by 2. 24 divided by 2. For that, I come to this screen, guys. 24 divided by 2 means you will write, you have to divide 24 by 2, right? So you will write here 24. 24. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Then this 4 will come down. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. Then you will subtract 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. This 4 you will put down. And now you will check the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. And 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Then 4 minus 4, 0. So the answer is 12. The answer is 12. So half of 24 is equals to 12. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good, very good, very good. Now you have to find out the half of 30. 30.
30.
Is this worksheet?
What is the half of 30? Yes, guys. Can you tell me what is the half of 30?
15.
Do the long division in rough work and check out what is the half of 30. In order to find out the half of 30, what you will do? You will divide 30 by 2. And 30 divided by 2 equals to what? You can check with the long division.
15.
Very good. Ilyas, Samedo, Muhammad, Mashri, Al-Wali, Sultan. Very good.
The answer is 15.
That's very good. So guys, 30 divided by 2, again what you have to do? You have to go for the long division. So instead of 24, you will write here 30. And you will divide it by 2. 30. Now you will check 2 table. 2 multiplied by 1, 2 and 2 multiplied by 2, 4. So there is no 3 in table of 2. So you will go for 2 multiplied by 1. Because you cannot go for more than 3. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. 3 minus 2 now. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. This 0 you will put down. Okay. Now check the table of 2. How many times? You will read the table of 2 up to in order to get 10. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. And 10 minus 10, 0. So 15 is the answer. That's mean 15 is the half of 30. You will write 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes.
Very good. Guys, in here you have to practice long division in your home, okay? We studied in detail about the long division, and if you did not understand anything about the long division, so you can send a message in the chat box. Or in the next class you can ask. I will make you understand the long division, okay? This is very important because we have after double and a half we have the topic what number am I? What number am I? In this topic also we will use multiplication and division. So you should have good command on multiplication, division, and for having a good command on multiplication and division, you should have a command on tables. Okay, so from tables 2 to 10, you should know it very well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Guys, did you complete that notebook work?
Yeah, we completed.
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, okay, write it. Oh, all right, guys. I'm asking you the question in the chat. Okay. The question I'm going to ask, that is, tell me what is the half of 100? What is the half of 100? What is the half of 100? Muhammad, very good. Hamedo, very good. Ilyas, very good. Ali, very good. In order to find out the half of 100, divide 100 by 2. Mantar, very good. Mashri, very good. Abdul Rahim, very good. Adam Khalid, very good. Sharif, very good. Al Wali Sultan, very good. Muhammad Fadi, very good. Ahmad Al Rufai, very good. All right, guys. So the answer is 50. The half of 100 is 50. Yes, Ilyas. Okay, guys. So again, I repeat, whenever you need to find out the half, how you will find out the half? You will divide that number by 2 and you will find out the half. When you have to find out the double, you will multiply that number by the 2. When you have to find out the half, you will divide that number by 2. Let's suppose if I tell you to find out the double of 30. So double of 30 will be 60 because 30 multiplied by 2 equals to 60. But if I ask you what is the half of 30, so you will divide that 30 by 2 and that will be 15. If I ask you what is the double of 24, so that will be 48. 24 multiplied by 2 equals to 48. But if I ask you the half of 24, that will be 12 because 24 divided by 2 equals to 12. Or the double of 12 will be equals to 24 as well. So guys, this is the end of our class. Inshallah, I'll meet you to the next class tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye,
Bye.
bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.